You wake up, pagising mo sa umaga, habang hinahawakan mo yung puso mo para nilalagay mo sa puso mo, sabi mo, Jesus, I trust in you. May sakit ka, san man yung parte ng iyong katawan na pumikirot, may sakit, hold that. Pray, Jesus, I trust in you. Kung litong-lito ka, hawakan mo muna yung ulo mo. And then say, Jesus, I trust in you. Asking for enlightenment, Jesus, I trust in you. Walang pera yung wallet mo. Marami kang utang. Sige, hawakan mo yung wallet mo. Sabihin mo, Jesus, I trust in you. At pagkatapos ng araw, wala pa rin kasagutan ang iyong problema. Say that repeatedly hanggang makatulog ka. Gawin mong pampatulog yan. Yung panalangin na yan, ulit-ulitin mo, Jesus, I trust in you. Do you trust Jesus? Let us pray and hope so that we can overcome our problems.